Welcome to the Datacom AD version 15.1 Service Update 2301 video. This short video describes what's new on the 2301 PAX and what's different from the 2101 PAX. It also explains why a specific SMS data class may also need to be defined prior to using the 2301 PAX to perform a new install. So what is new on the 2301 Service Update PAX file? The installation and upgrade JCL member customization process has been enhanced to be more efficient and to accommodate a new BDAM or vSAM dataset installation choice. Also new is the availability of all the Datacom modern tools. With these tools, database resource changes that used to require the resource to be taken offline can now be done while the resource is open and available to the Datacom AD application process. In other words, an application outage is no longer required to make certain physical database changes. Now, for what is different. All the published Datacom AD component maintenance up through 2301 has been pre-applied, so only new maintenance beyond that point will need to be applied going forward. Another difference is the 2101 AX New 01 installation JCL member has been replaced by two new installation JCL members. Member AX New 01B as in Baker creates and installs the system databases into BDAM datasets, and a new AX New 01 Victor creates and installs them into vSAM datasets. If installing into vSAM datasets, a specific SMS data class must already exist or be created prior to using this member. Running a Datacom DB utility type equals DataCL report on the LPAR where the installation is to be done will list all the available SMS data classes on that system and identify if any meet the Datacom requirement. This DataCL report shows an SMS class that meets the Datacom requirement. The specific data class settings are displayed at the bottom of the report. Note that it did not meet all the recommended settings due to the vol count being below its recommended setting, but that is one that is allowed to be overridden. That concludes the video. It is highly recommended that you acquire and implement the 2301 PAX so you will be ready when your Datacom AD solution begins to exploit these new features and capabilities. We hope you found this video to be informative.